Hello, my name is Christopher Jackson, and today I'm going to be covering the strategic planning and policies for the College of Engineering and Technology, Grand Canyon University, CYB 535, Policy Management for Security Solutions, Professor Edward Marchewka, and this is due July 23rd, 2025. Let's begin. Good day, members of the board. I'm Christopher Jackson, and today I'll be walking you through our proposed 3 to 5 year strategic cybersecurity plan for Black Peak Dynamics. As a defense contractor, our ability to provide secure, resilient technologies is dependent on a robust and forward-thinking InfoSec strategy. This presentation will align our cybersecurity roadmap with the company's mission, support regulatory compliance, and help protect intellectual property, systems, and infrastructure against emerging threats. Let's begin. At Black Peak, we take a structured approach to technical communication. First, we perform audience analysis to ensure that security messages resonate whether they're read by technical staff or executive leadership. Next, we implement a collaborative writing process with version control and peer reviews. Lastly, we use design elements such as heat maps, incident dashboards, and visual alerts to enhance understanding. Clear professional communication is essential to ensuring that InfoSec policies are understood, adopted, and enforceable. So here's our proposed InfoSec roadmap. Year 1, 2025, we focus on operational hygiene. We'll complete our asset inventory, conduct vulnerability scans, and reinforce RBAC and MAC controls. Company-wide awareness training will also be launched. Year 2, 2026, tactical enhancements include deploying advanced endpoint protection, weekly phishing simulations, and expanding SIEM capabilities using Wazoo and OSSEC. Year 3, 2027, we strategically migrate classified systems to FedRAMP high cloud environments, begin quarterly incident response exercises, and prepare for CMMC Level 3 certification. Moving on to Year 4, 2028, AI-driven threat detection and vendor-integrated zero trust policies will be implemented. Year 5, 2029, we will finalize with ISO and IEC 27001 certification, a fully integrated cyber fusion center, and comprehensive red-blue team simulations with defense partners. To support this plan, we're investing in layered security solutions. First, we have pfSense next-generation firewalls with HA and geo-blocking. Next, we have Greenbone Vulnerability Manager for routine scans, Wazoo SIEM and OSSEC for real-time monitoring, FedRAMP cloud environments for backup and redundancy. Next, we have RBAC, MAC, DAC, and MFA across all departments. Our security architecture is purpose-built for our role as a defense contractor, enabling resilience and compliance across internal and external environments. Security must be embedded in every level of the organization. The board of directors ensures strategic alignment and allocates resources. Senior management integrates InfoSec into business planning and monitors risks. The CISO leads strategy, reporting, and compliance. IT managers operationalize controls and maintain secure infrastructure. Functional managers communicate needs and enforce policy compliance. Next, we have the security analysts, which handle alerts and perform incident triage. And finally, end users serve as the front line of defense, trained to identify and report threats. Here's how we ensure compliance and alignment using proven cybersecurity frameworks. NIST CSF gives us a flexible, scalable roadmap built on the functions identify, protect, detect, respond, recover, and govern. ISO IEC 27001 provides a global certification path centered on risk-based security and continuous improvement. CMMC focused on contractor cybersecurity maturity, helps us meet DoD expectations. Next, COVID-5 ensures our security strategy aligns with business objectives and IT governance standards. Each framework complements the others, helping us build a resilient, compliant cybersecurity posture tailored to Black Peak's mission. Communicating effectively with a range of audiences is central to resolving cybersecurity issues. Executives receive high-level impact summaries and risk dashboards. Engineers receive detailed vulnerability reports and mitigation guides. End users receive practical instructions and awareness training. So we adapt tone, format, and content to meet the comprehension level and role-specific needs of every audience. Our cybersecurity roadmap directly supports Black Peak Dynamics' mission, which is delivering innovative, cyber-resilient technologies to defense. By safeguarding research and development systems, securing intellectual property, and enabling continuous operations, we help ensure that our innovations remain uncompromised. Our InfoSec strategy is not a siloed function, it is foundational to national security and organizational success. A well-structured policy framework clearly distinguishes between mandatory and optional elements. Policies are formal decisions made by the organization's governing body. They reflect strategic direction and are always mandatory. Procedures provide step-by-step instructions to implement those policies. These are also mandatory and often used for recurring tasks. Standards define consistent configurations or practices like formatting or control settings. Whether mandatory depends on the policy they support. Guidelines are optional but offer important advice or context to improve decision-making and compliance. Understanding these differences helps us build a governance model that's clear, enforceable, and tailored to the needs of Black Peak Dynamics. In conclusion, cybersecurity is not simply a cost center. It's a strategic enabler. This roadmap provides a structure, governance, and solutions required to protect our systems and preserve our leadership in defense innovation. I urge continued investment and support from the board so that we can ensure a secure, compliant, and resilient future for Black Peak Dynamics. I would like to thank you for your time and enjoy your day. Goodbye.